Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is disproportionate. It is pronounced disproportionate and spelt disproportionate. Think dis, pro, portion, and then ate. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Disproportionate means being out of proportion or amount, often in a way that is visually noticeable. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something that is not in the correct proportion or balance. For example, you could say, the punishment was disproportionate to the crime. Or, the amount of homework I was given was disproportionate to the amount of time I had available in the evening. The word disproportionate comes from the Latin word disproportionatus, which means not proportionate, referring to something that is not in balance or proportion. It's the same meaning as today. In Disney's Alice in Wonderland, Alice encounters various characters and situations that are disproportionate and nonsensical. For example, she interacts with the Cheshire Cat, whose grin is disproportionately large and detached from its body. Additionally, Alice herself experiences changes in size, becoming either too small or too large in proportion to her surroundings. How disproportionate. Synonyms for disproportionate are incommensurate and imbalanced. Antonyms for disproportionate are proportionate, symmetrical, and commensurate. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today. Disproportionate. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.